the last 3 months, because of COVID-19, schools have been shut. I hope that these materials that we present today will be beneficial to students in their final year of secondary or high school.
Hello, you are welcome to economics class. Today our topic is taxation. What is taxation? Taxation is the method of imposing a compulsory levy by the government or its agency on individuals and firms or on goods and services. Tax, on the other hand, is a compulsory levy imposed by the government or its agency or individuals and firms on goods and services. Let's have a look at the characteristics of the tax. 1. It is compulsory levy that must be paid by individuals or corporate bodies. 2. It is levied by the government or its agencies. 3. It is a payment made as a sacrifice. 4. Tax is meant for the general welfare of everybody. 5. Tax payment has age limit. Example, people must attain certain age level before they can pay tax. Principles of a good tax system. 1. Equity or ability to pay. People should be made to pay tax according to their abilities. This implies that tax revenue should be raised without causing undue hardship to the taxpayer. 2. Economy. The principle states that the cost of tax collection should be cheap relative to the revenue yield. 3. Certainty. The tax should be certain and clear to everybody concerned. The time of payment, the manner of payment, and the amount to be paid should be clear and plain to the taxpayer. Convenience. A tax should be convenient as to form, time, and place of payment. For example, an import duty should be duly paid as the imported goods arrives the country. 5. Flexibility. The tax system should be flexible enough for adjustments when the need arises. 6. Simplicity. A tax system should not be difficult to administer and understood. It should not cause problems or differences in interpretation. Types of tax. There are 2 major types of tax: direct and indirect tax. Let us look at direct tax. Direct tax refers to the type of tax imposed directly on income of individuals or organizations by the government or its agency. Such incomes include wages, salaries, profits, rents, and interest. The burden of direct tax is borne by the payers. The taxpayers are usually aware of the payment of such tax. Types of direct tax. 1. Personal income tax. This is a type of tax levied on the income of an individual, usually during a period of 1 year. Individuals are made to pay according to their income and ability to pay. Personal income is usually progressive in nature. 2. Company tax or corporate tax. This is a tax levied on the profit made by the company. 3. Poll tax. This is a type of tax operated on flat rate basis, usually imposed on the income of some individuals. 4. Capital tax. This is the type of tax levied on property or on capital assets. Such properties include land, cars, personal houses, etc. Death duty. This type of tax is levied on the property or assets of a deceased or dead person. 6. Capital gain tax. A capital gain tax is a type of tax levied on the gains of or profit of a company or sell. Capital gain tax. A capital gain tax is the type of tax levied on the gains or profits of a company or sale of land and capital assets. 7. Expenditure tax. This is a type of tax levied on the part of a person's income which is actually spent. It is not a common tax in developing countries, but it is used to encourage savings. Indirect taxes. An indirect tax refers to tax which are imposed or levied on goods and services. Types of indirect taxes: custom duties or tariffs. These are of two types: import duties and export duties. Import duties are taxes levied on goods imported or brought into the country from other countries. Export duties. These are taxes levied on goods sent out to other countries. Number 2, excise duties. These are taxes levied on locally manufactured goods. Sales tax. This tax is levied on sale of certain commodities. The tax is collected either at the wholesale or retail stage. Purchase tax. This is a tax levied on certain consumer commodities such as cars, television sets, etc. The tax is usually collected at the wholesale stage. Number 5. Value added tax, VAT. This is a type of tax imposed on goods and services at each stage of production. The burden of taxation is finally borne by the final consumer. VAT is used to generate revenue for the government. Thank you. See you in our next class.